it's a Mustang club. That's why there's all Mustangs around, lined up. Sweet. So in this line, it's a Chevy. Hey guys, take a look at this ride. Insane. Isn't it cool? So many insane cars. Look at that. All the way to the ground. And take a look at the inside. Now that's what I call insane. But good insane. It's like crazy, mind-boggling, but it's so awesome. Now how about this one? Look at that. Where is he? Right there. Same as the look of the car. Insane! So cool. Wow, enjoy the fun watching. Hey guys, I'm here with the owner of this lovely ride Pantera. Tell me about your cruise ride, sir.
Well, it's a 1980 Pantera Group 3, one of 3 ever made. And it has been modified a bit. It came with the flares, the valence, and everything that you see. We've upgraded the engine to run the Silver State race to about 550 horsepower, 550 foot-pounds of torque. And what we say, it is an American hot rod in an Armani suit.
Well, sir, that is really, really cool.
So this is a 409 cubic inch motor. It has an aluminum block, Fontana block, which is similar to the Windsor motor, and it has modified Cleveland heads, which is the combination you want. It also has an intercooler, which which runs the water and the oil next to each other. So if you have a problem and you lose coolant or you lose oil somehow, it gives you a little bit more time before the temperature zooms up.
Oh, that is so cool because some of the cars, like if you have like old cars, you have to watch for the temperature because once it goes really high, then you have a tendency it will break down your car. But this one is awesome because it's equipped with if you have a problem like heading that way, that is so cool.
Right, so it's the car's name is Rocketeer, and we've taken it all over the country, and people enjoy it, and that's why we're here.
Cool. And I've noticed, sir, the license plate is from Montana. Is that correct?
That's correct.
So you drove from Montana to here. Of course, this is in the container, or sort of like.
No, so what you do if you have high-end cars, you'll see a lot of motorhomes. Also, registered in Montana because there's no state tax, and it costs you very little money to set up an LLC.
Yeah.
It is a cottage industry from Montana.
So how did you bring this over here?
I did, and I did it all by mail.
Wow, isn't that insane? That's what they do when they love. When they have a love for cars. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, enjoy.
I will, and they will. Hey guys, I'm here, and I'm gonna show you all this lovely, cute hot rod. So tell me the story. How come you're into this kind of business?
Well,
How did it start, sir?
well, back in the early 90s, I was buying, I didn't have much to do, so I started just rebuying cars again, because I didn't have a lot when I was a little kid, so I would go to the store and just look for what was there. Then I started buying I started having like triplicates and quadruplets and stuff like that. And then I started looking around one day. I went through my stuff and I said, man, how am I going to get rid of this stuff?
Oh, so they're all your collections. Nice.
And then I said, well, I can go do the toy shows. But the toy shows went, it wasn't so-so. I didn't like the toy shows. So I said, I can tap into the cars. So I started cold calling people on Capital Cruising and asking them if I can come to do the car shows. And the Ford Mustang Club meet up in Front Royal was my first one I went to. And it just took off from there, and I just kept buying and buying and buying. I bought stuff that I like, and I bought stuff that other people I know like. And I enjoy being with the people, and I enjoyed the hunt of chasing down cars and finding what everybody likes and what I like, and just being around the car people. The car culture is cool.
Yes, it is.
You know.
Yeah. So, asking you, I don't know if you're gonna answer my question. How much are they ranging from? How much to what's your?
They go from $3 to $25.
I can't see you.
See that, guys? These are all his collections, and now it's like trying to share it to you. So those who are really interested in having this kind of stuff or toys, there we go. There is the man. That's the man who will have all these cars that you might like to have in your, how do you call it, cabinet, or even in your like set of toys. Well, thank you very much, sir. It's a pleasure to get the story of how you started with your business. More power to you and good luck.
Nice meeting you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
sir.
All right.